guys, today we're going to be doing a little bit of soybean harvest on my American farming map. So yeah, let's go ahead and get in here. Already have the international harvester on the soybean field right now. It's my first video on American farming right now. So we got that guy going over soybeans. I'm gonna test the moisture on this here in just a minute. Let's go get the cart real quick and we'll test the moisture on these beans. Make sure they're good to roll. We'll wait till he gets around here. Alright, let's test the moisture on these beans. Oh, I think I still got corn in my cart. I do still have corn in my cart. Well, let's go put this corn in the bin real quick and then come back and get the we got a lot of harvesting to do, so I gotta say, we got 4 fields, I think, and then we'll have to disc them up and then fertilize, get them all planted up again. So we got 3,447 bushels of corn, I believe. 17.5% moisture, so I might have to turn on the dryer real quick. Get all that moisture out of there. Well, there we go. Oh, yeah, okay. We got the dryer on. Need to sell some cows sometime. So let's check real quick. So we got 5 fields that we need to harvest. They're all fertilized. I was thinking about buying this field over here, actually, but it's $77,000. That's a little bit out of my budget. And this one field down here, it's a pretty good sized field right here. Field number 11. It's a pretty good sized field. I wanted to buy this one up here, but it's actually $200,000. So I don't think I'm gonna buy that just yet. So let's go over here and get the beans real quick and unload them. I'll make a shortcut real quick. Oh gosh, just about hit that swing. I know y'all seen that. Alright. Check the moisture on these beans. It shouldn't be too bad because it hasn't rained. Let's get him started back up again real quick. Buddy, what are you doing? Holy. Alright then. Oh, dumping beans in my tractor there, buddy. Alright, let's go test some moisture on these beans real quick. It shouldn't be too bad. But as we add more beans to the bin, it'll add up. Shouldn't be too bad though, because it hasn't rained or nothing since I planted and all that stuff. I also need to get the cow some feed too. Gosh, I gotta do a lot of stuff. Alright. Let's taste the moisture on these beans. Get what the? Alright then. We got a storage. 35 bushel. It's okay. These beans are wet. 13% and only got 35 bushel in there right now. So these beans are bad. These beans are wet. Okay, that's not the best thing I ever needed. So I'm gonna have to go get the if we add more in there, we're gonna turn on the dryer for that bin. Let them cook real quick. Let them dry out. Then when it's I believe July is when we can sell the corn. So we got 3,000 bushel of corn right now. Yeah, July is when we need to sell the corn, and then I'd say either March or October sell the soybeans for $16.24 bushel for soybeans and $6.03 for corn. I need to start doing soybeans more. Corn just doesn't sound very good. Cow sell for pretty good in March and April. I'm not, I don't have any pigs yet. Could get some pigs sometime. Could sell them for 54 CWT. I need to start doing soybeans more because they sell for a lot more than anything I got right now. Let's slow this bad boy up real quick. Well, that thing's full. Gosh darn. Must have had a bunch of manure sitting there. We got the manure spreader full. Let's go get the cows some feed real quick. They need some feed bad. Can you not jump over that? You gotta be kidding me. This guy needs to go to the gym or something. I don't know about him. Yeah. Been too activated. No, not deactivated. Activated. There we go. Now they should be drying out if I'm not wrong. 17.5, 13, 17.4. So why is that one drying out and this one's, I don't know, whatever. Let's go get the old international manager real quick. I mean the farm hall, not the international. What am I on about? Unhook the fertilizer spreader. And go hook this guy up, and then we'll feed the cows real quick. Because I ain't fed them in a hot minute. Alrighty. Make sure that's nice and good. Right under there. Load her up. You full back there? Oh yeah, it's full. Alright. Let's go feed the cows. I love this tractor. This is probably one of my favorite tractors actually because of the see how much coal it rose. Let's get y'all fed. Alright, we got bin number 1 full, I believe, I think. Actually, I was kidding. Got it almost halfway full. So what I believe I'm going to do is, while we got calves in this pen, I'm not going to fill this one all the way up. We got 5 cows. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5 cows and 6, I think. 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got 4 calves, 5 cows. Them calves will be ready to sell probably 2 months, maybe, actually. I don't know. 2 months, probably. fill this up one more time. And we'll go give our other cows over here in the pasture some feed. I don't know why it's costing me for the grain dryer, but whatever. Alright, cows are fed. Just go and hook this back over here. And then, to do this, we probably need to go empty that combine again because she's probably full. Put her in the bin. Might actually fill this up real quick. Alright, let's go check on this combine. Oh shoot, she ain't even halfway full. Oh, we're good. Let's run the tractor beside her for a little bit. After she turns around, we'll run the tractor beside her. Alright. Come on, Betsy. Turn around now. Alrighty. She's getting turned around. I'm gonna run this. We're gonna run this thing right here. Oh yeah. We get lined up with it. Slow down a little bit. Got her rolling now. Sheesh. Alright, now we got this rolling. We're gonna load up on some corn, some soybeans, not corn. I did corn 2 years in a row over here. I did soybeans one time over there in that field, and then the field on the other side over there, I did corn and then soybeans. I'm probably gonna do soybeans again, actually, because they sell for better. And then over here, I'm gonna do corn here and corn over there on that field. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. Hey now, buddy, where you going? Hey now, bucko, what you doing? Hey now, what are you doing? That guy needs fired, holy. This guy don't know how to drive a combine. Alrighty, got it lined up again. Actually, it's a little off-center, but that don't matter too much. Oh yeah, rolling coal, baby. Sheesh. Soybeans are loading up in the trailer. Why did I say trailer? I meant to say... Gosh. Alright, well, this has to turn around here. We'll go empty these in the bin real quick so these can be drying. Just go right through here. Put these in the soybeans. That thing empties quick. Shoot. 97 bushel of soybeans and still 13% moisture, so I think we're doing good right now. We spent a lot of money on the that dryer. It'll be alright. Don't mind this, but like, I'm gonna do something real quick. Don't mind me, don't mind me. Don't mind me. There we go. I got a little bit of money. Alrighty. Now I can say I'm not broke. Not as broke as I was anyway. Think about buying that 77,000 field over there. So I can get some more grain up in here. I don't know, I kind of want to do hay or forage on one of them. But I don't know. We're gonna let that combine get full, and I'll pick you back up when that combine gets full. Change of plans. It's been about a minute or two, but combine's down there getting with it. I'm gonna go sell some cows real quick, just to get them out of the way, cause you know, sell some, buy some, profit, you know, yeah. Alright, get down here and get these cows loaded up. Alright, so we got steers in this. This is the steer pen. I could load all 10 of these and sell them all at the same time. They're all 20 months old. I think what I'm going to do is load 5 actually, and keep 5. And we'll sell 5 right here. And we'll buy 5 more so they, like, you know, just they grow and then them grow. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, your little buddy, I'm sorry, but he's going to the sale market. So let's go take these up here. Take these to the market real quick. While we're doing this, I might stop at the old gas station and fill the truck up, because it's almost full. Just need a little bit of gas, you know. I mean, diesel. It's a diesel truck. Everybody else calls it stupid. Whatever. Let's go here and get the cows out here. When we get back to that right there, I'll have to move fields, because that one's about done. Okay. This game's like actually one of the best mobile games I've actually ever played, honestly. It's a pretty good game, if you ask me. I think anybody'd actually say that, honestly. Ooh, I had to throw the brake on right there. Nobody's coming, let's rock and roll. Later I have to come back up here and pick up some seed for the planter too, because I don't have enough for that. It'll be alright. I can come up here to the flatbed or the gooseneck and pick that up. Let's go over here and get these cows dropped off. What you got going on right there? They got the road blocked off and everything. Alrighty. We're here at this old sale market. Let's get these cows auctioned off here. I'll pick y'all up when I get these cows auctioned off, and I'll pick you back up when I get back on the road. Well, guys, them cows sold for $9,809. So I think we did pretty good on that deal. We got $9,000 for 5 cows, 5 steers. That's pretty good. So what we'll do now is go to the gas station. I'll pick you up when we get to the gas station. Alright, y'all, this is going to be the end of this video. I'll pick y'all up on part 2 of the soybean harvest. Next video, I might pick up some more cows and sell them. I'll see y'all later.